the UK, Hanwha machines are supplied by Dugard. Today I'm at EMO 2019 in Hanover. I'm on the Hanwha stand, so I'm going to take a very quick look at all the machines that they're showcasing here, and really to show you what's in the range and what can be purchased through Dugard. We're talking about sliding head technology. Here's the first machine. Now this is the XD262. Now this machine actually obviously has a main spindle and a sub spindle, but quite incredible power on these machines. 14.5 kilowatts of power on both the front and the back, 26 mil bar capacity, and of course you've got the option of driven tools. You can have actually 4 back working tools and 2 even off centre. Now this particular machine has the Siemens control, and that's how you get that extra power. One of the things that Dugard talk about a lot is the power of the Hanwha machines. When you're looking for versatility in your machine tool purchase, you may want to buy a machine that can do the lightweight components as well as the heavy duty ones. This is the next machine. This is the XD38-2. Now again, sliding head technology, but you can actually go up to a 40 mil bar on this machine, and you've got 23 kilowatts of power on the main and the sub. A bit of a theme going here in terms of the power of these machines, but it is that is quite a statistic. Not often seen really on sliding head technology. It's 23 kilowatts of power, and again with the Siemens control. Now the STL38H, this is a machine that is a little bit different. Pretty neat and tidy and compact, as you can see as the camera moves closer. But what an array of tools on this machine! You've got a turret on the bottom. We've got a platen on the top. It looks like we've got driven tools, we've got static tools, so we can be turning, we can be milling, we can be using the top platen as well on the rear or the front spindle. And here you can see that this really is a machine that is ideal for one-hit machining. So that's the STL38. Now if you quickly look again, this is the Siemens control. I believe this might be a touchscreen control as well. Or maybe not, I don't know, but it's the Siemens control on this machine. It's the STL38. Total flexibility there. As we walk round a bit further on the stand, it's good now because we're right close or towards the end of the day here on the Hanwha stand. I want to show you the XD262. Now this machine has actually got a FANUC control on it, and it's a 26 mil bar machine. I'm going to open the door here. This is what you'd expect on a more traditional sliding head lathe. Still an abundance of tools in there for not only the front spindle but obviously the back as well. This machine actually has 2.2 kilowatts of power using the FANUC spindle on the main and the sub spindle, and the cross and back working drills actually have 1 kilowatt of power. But you can get a lot of tools on this machine. Good, I'd class this as a good flexible machine. As I say, available machining up to 26 mil bar capacity. High-speed precision machining on production components. Now what about a small machine? What about small bar diameters? Watchmaking, micromechanics, XD16-3. This is one of the smaller machines here, or probably the smallest machine on the stand here. I can't actually get the door open on the machine, but you can probably, if you move the camera into the window, you'll see actually the machine is actually in operation at the moment, so you'll be able to see the spindle turning there. And now this machine is actually a 16 mil bar diameter. And it has got the FANUC control, but it's equipped. It's got an equipped high-speed air spindle unit for removing burrs and fine drilling up to 30,000 RPM. Some of the modular tooling that can be added to these types of machines. Now that's just what we looked at there, 5 or 6 machines, all of which are available in the UK from Dugard. Sliding head turning or CNC turning, there is an option for you. Visit dugard.com.